So today, I want to talk about for those that are interested in starting dry fish business. I have something for you. On this channel, I share profitable business ideas and I show you way to earn money. So now, if you're interested in starting a dry fish business and you've been, wanting to know exactly where you can source for this dry fish very cheap. Okay, so I'm going to be telling you where you can source it. In fact, the most cheapest place, the cheap the market you can find dry fish very cheap. Leave River State. Oh yes, River State have fish, but you see this place I want to reveal to you, that trust me. Hmm? It's just like, you are in Nigeria, you want to go into maybe footwear or clothes business, and you know that the best place you can get the cheapest products is from China. So this is the place I want to reveal to you. So you're interested in dry fish packaging, maybe you want to go into exportation of dry fish, or maybe just sell it, where you reside. So I'm going to be revealing it to you now. So, and where you can source for your dry fish very cheap is Borno, Borno, Meduguri, right? So there, you know what is fish? You're going to get fish cheap there, very, very cheap. So in Borno State, that is what the state where you can get dry fish very cheap. So you want to go into the dry fish business, to the best place, the best state to go and source for your dry fish is that what is at Borno State. Trust me, when you go there, then okay, I'm going to be telling you another state, again, that you can also source for dry sheep very cheap. It is KB State. KB State. I don't know how many of you have heard of KB State. KB State is in the northern part of Nigeria. So KB State have a very big market where you can get onion cheap. You can also get varieties of this dry fish, varieties of it very cheap. So see you in my next video. I hope you found this helpful. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.